Well, he always maintains a low profile, letting his work speak for itself. Those who worked with him say he's a super perfectionist, and he is one of the few actors who's extremely comfortable with the director tag as well. Aamir Khan was awarded Entertainer of the Year at the NDTV Indian of the Year Awards, and accepting that award, he spoke about his films 2611 and also the #1 entertainer in politics.
The winner of the among Indian of the Year and the is Aamir Khan.
Well, I'd just like to thank NDTV and the jury members who selected me, and I think the people who voted. This was also on public voting, so I'd like to thank my audience, in fact, not just for voting for me, but for the kind of support they've given me through my career, and I'm really grateful for that, the kind of faith they've had and the kind of support they've given to films that I've made, which have been extremely unusual. So that's been really encouraging. And see, I think it's Lalu ji for me always, entertainer #1. लेकिन जो #1 होता है वो कभी अपने आप को बोलता नहीं है. तो लालू जी ने भी अपने आप को #1 नहीं बोला, लेकिन सही मानों में वही है #1 entertainer. And yeah, actually I don't. I have to be really honest. I don't. I really enjoy award functions, and especially a lot of them that I have stopped going to, because so many really funny things happen in them, you know. No, I'm serious.
Including Akshay Kumar saying that you should have got Best Actor.
Oh,
not
that is really sweet of Akshay, and I was really touched to hear that, and it's really generous of him. So I want to thank him for that. But I miss all the fun that I used to have, you know, watching all bloopers happening up on stage. So I really miss that. Sure, I think that I mean, I haven't seen the film yet. I've only heard really great things about it, and Danny's a wonderful director, and I'm wishing all success to the film.
In fact, I just wanted to ask Danny. Danny, you've seen Taare Zameen Par, and what did you think about it? Because that's the film Aamir has actually won for.
It's a wonderful film. My daughter is dyslexic, and me and her mom have given her a huge amount of support through her life. But I'd never seen the world through her eyes until I saw the first part, especially that first hour of your film, which was extraordinary. It's full of insight, it's humane, and speaking as a director, it's original, truly original. So, well done. You really deserve it, man. I'm serious. It's a fantastic film.
My own reactions that day, the emotions that welled up in me, it gave him a bite for the press. That my film made Advani cry.
You know, there are so many leaders sitting in front of me today, and I don't think I'll ever get the opportunity. So I'd really like to tell them that we're really looking forward to all of you from all the various political parties to lead us ahead as a country. I think that the public sentiment at this point is that we're looking for leaders to really be positive and progressive in taking us forward, and we would like to believe that you will do that, and you can do that. The reason I'm saying this is that general elections are around the corner, and I would really, as a common citizen of the country, expect and hope that the major political parties field candidates who are clean, intelligent, and really deserving of our votes. I'm really looking forward to that. Thank you. In all humility. Well, I think what we all went through was extremely traumatic, and I think what would have been even more traumatic is for the people who lost members of their family. You know, all of us grieve deeply for them. My heart goes out to the families who've lost loved ones, and from the bottom of my heart, my respect to those officers of the security forces of the Mumbai police who risked their lives, in fact gave their lives for our security and to secure us.